Hello from McNally Motors Longford. Just like to show you our 201 Yaris Y20 hybrid automatic, finished in pearl white with gunmetal grey roof. Looks very well in these colours. Alloy wheels, front fogs, electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking. Bodywork in perfect condition. Very spacious boot with protective rubber mat. Reverse camera. Here in the back we have isofix seats. Two-tone velour interior. Loads of leg room in this little Yaris. Cup holder. So up front we have USB and auxiliary ports, automatic transmission, air conditioning, dual climate control, multifunction steering wheel, lane assist, pre-collision alert, some of the features in this little Yaris. This Yaris has covered a mileage of 94,000 kilometres with service history. So that's our 201 Yaris Y20 hybrid auto. For more information and finance options, let's call our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will gladly help you out. Thank you.